Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can simply pay to your contractors in Gusto. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is just click on Pay Contractors on the left side, right here. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see Select Date to Pay Contractors. You can also see now the hours, and then you just add here the payment. $50. Can do 10 hours. Okay. Now, if you have the hours, you can sync them if you want to. Let's click continue. Now, review. Okay, how much it's going to cost you. Submit payment. Voila. And confirmation. You did it, Abigail. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and this is how you can pay contractors. Have a great day and goodbye.